What is going on, guys? RH Patrick back here, and I joined RH again. And some announcements here as well is that I got a new account. As you can see, I'm level 23 with 12 wins. And in my previous account, I had like 200 plus wins, and I was like on 100 plus level 100 plus, I don't know. So I just restarted, I just restarted. And today's video is about the random chainsaw challenge. I already did the random skin challenge, so this is gonna be the random chainsaw challenge. And I actually didn't want to get skins in this video. I didn't actually want to get skins in this account, just wanted it to be a default. But one day I'm like, hey, how about I do the random skin challenge? And then I realized I already did that. So that's why I actually bought few skins. Yeah, that's kind of bad. And I have 0 coins because I had to buy the chainsaws as well. So here is all of it. You know how it works. I just need to close my eyes and randomly choose one, and the color of it will be the rarity I can use, right? So let's do it. I'm gonna close my eyes and I choose you. Sis. Pink. Pink is not a rarity. I don't know why I bought the ones that don't have a rarity, you know? So let me do it again. Green. Green only. Alright. It's only green. Let's do it. Damn. And the thing is, because since there's a lockdown and people are still at home, yeah, there's actually a lot of people playing right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna lose a lot. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm gonna lose or not. So, let's just see. I mean, green is the worst rarity in this game, but let's just try it out. And also, if you guys want me to try Nine Finger Claw, just tell me in the comments, please. Also, since there are so many people, my game has been starting to lag a lot. Like, while I'm in the air, the game is starting to lag a lot. And I do not like that. Holy, no. Why can I not auto run? Okay, I almost died over there, so let's not go there. I'm gonna try to find a medkit. Please, I need a medkit. Please, no one take this house. Please. Ah, yes, the door is closed. That means that no one has been in this house. And no one should be in this house. And if this house does not have a green, I am dead. Yes, it has a green, and it's a pistol. Yeah. Now I need to find a medkit. Also, this happens randomly. My screen just randomly just goes up. So if that happens, and like, you're like, what the heck's wrong with you? Yeah, you know why. I only have a green pistol. That is very bad. I need to find something else. Yeah, now I find gold weapons just on the floor. Dang it. Yeah, just waste all my mats just to get up here. Dude, why can I not find anything? I don't like this green pistol. It's not nice. Yes, green AR. Good. This is a good one. Come on, where's the medkit at? Dude, because of the stairs, I thought it was someone's gun. I got scared. Dude, there's no medkit in this entire place. Well, I just gotta use mats to protect myself. I mean, wood. Unless I kill someone, they have meds. I I don't know why, but that did not pick up. Dude, I need HP. I almost died right at the beginning. That was not good. I need medkit. I need to find a medkit. I feel like I can get a medkit in this town. Dude, you know the blue glowing sparkly thing from the guns? It always makes me think it's like a chainsaw. The default chainsaw, when you first start the game. I always think it's that. And I was get creeped out. Yes, I found a medkit. I can't loot this place anymore because the storm is here, so run. And also, I did not play this game in like 2 weeks, I think, so I'm a little bit rusty. Where are the players at? I'm just gonna stay at the top. Oh, another green. I found another green. Only 3 greens here. I need to run. I'm really scared. I feel like I'm just gonna die right now. I don't like when this final circle's over here. I got shot at. Oh, I see someone. No one has a green. Wait there. Yes, a green scar. Run. Where was that? Where is this guy? I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. This guy. Oh, God. Really? Well, I lost. And this video needs to be a 10-minute video, so I'm gonna come back and finish this challenge. I am gonna come back and finish this challenge. Screw you, Nemo! Nemo, I don't care. Nemo? Yeah, that's right, Nemo, go. I shall come back to finish this challenge. And when this challenge is over, I shall dance on it. Yeah, that's right. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you later.